Good morning, squad. So today we are having kele and also some wings. Now those wings are not the regular wings you're eating. So they're basically wings that have been basically, there's a lot of, if you can see if it's gonna focus, but basically it's a wing that has local spices called suya. So it's wings with suya today, right? And I'm also having that with kele. Kele is basically fried plantain. If you've had fried plantain before, mixed with local seasonings, like ginger and other local seasonings that basically they mix together and then fry it. So let me tell you, this is very delicious. If you're coming to Ghana, this is one thing you probably need to look for, right? Not everywhere sells it, but you can definitely get some fried plantain and suya. It's really delicious. So today that's what I'll be having. So eating more local food. I'm here for the local food, nothing else. So wow. The sweetness of the plantains and also the spices mixed together, the ginger, everything together give it like such a nice blend that you could not think of. It's just amazing. It just melts in your mouth. And then this is the wings with the suya on top of it. You can basically see all the suya and everything on the chicken wing. So oh my gosh. Wow. Damn, this is any other wings you've ever had. Like this taste in your mouth is just fantastic. Holy cow. I could have this the whole day. Man. Alright, let's go into another food video. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Alright, on another note here, we're basically eating banku on a straight note. This was basically made by one of my friend's mom. It has basically some banku and also some, if I will explain it very simply, it's like a mixture of tomato sauce and some small fish into it. It was very delicious, very, very delicious. Just like you see on my face here, I'm just busy eating, not just minding my business. So it was definitely one of the highlight of my trip here in Ghana. So yeah, so good, so good. So after eating the banku, I decided to go to another restaurant called Papai, which is basically a very famous fast food restaurant in Ghana. They're very well known for their fried chicken and also their fried rice. I used to eat this a lot when I was in Ghana. So, but I decided to actually take some chicken and some fries because of the previous meal that I had. I was like still very full, so I just decided to take something a little lighter. My friend just had fried rice and the chicken. I had a little taste of it. It was fantastic, so can never go wrong with it. So if you are visiting Ghana, definitely recommend visiting Popeyes. Very, very good food, and everything is ready. So yeah. So with here, I just went out with a friend. We actually went to a local restaurant around, and then I ordered some fried rice and something that was a little beefy. It was really nice actually. So we had like nice conversation while we're eating. So that's actually one of the beauties here in Ghana with how things are developing. You can just spend some time out, just eat some good food with friends, and just go back. And then there was a birthday party too, so you can look at how people were dancing. In the last portion, I basically went to a hotel. I got some fried rams and also some fish. It was fantastic. Here I have some shito and also some hot pepper. I can't eat without hot pepper, so that was fantastic meal. So yeah, it was great.